Hi everyone, my name is Nilesh and today we will continue the HTML beginning series part 2. So for that I am using the Visual Studio Code. So for that I am going to the Visual Studio Code. You can go to the Visual Studio Code website. You can simply search the Visual Studio Code and you will get this first website. So you can open this and download here. So this is basically a one open source and it is a streamlined code editor with support for development, operation like debugging, task running, and version controls. And its aim is the Visual Studio Code aim is to provide just the good developer need for quick code build debug cycle. For that, this Visual Studio is code. So in this series, we using the Visual Studio Code. So you can go and download this. So I already download this, and inside that here I'm creating the one folder called as the HTML. So here I'm creating one file. So to create a file, you can click the this file icon, and here you can we are giving the file name as the index. So this is the index file. So this is the normal file, but create this to make this as a HTML, you will need to define the extension of this method. Like the extension means the file name, actual file name. So this is the .html. So this is the our index.html file. So we are talking about the structure of the HTML. So firstly, we are creating the doc type. So this doc type tells the version of the our HTML. So when you define the doc type, so it telling the your HTML is in HTML5 version. So after that, I'm creating the HTML tag. So once you close the HTML tag, means the once you open the HTML tag, you need to close that as well. So after that, we have the heading tag. So heading tag are used to store the title, like title. So I'm giving the name first program. So heading are used to store the title, then meta tags, then script tags. See this meta, then script, all the link like Bootstrap CDN, we all the links we store inside the head tag. Then we have the body tag. This body tag is open and closing as well. So inside the body tag, we actually write the code which we want to display the output in our web page. So I'm saving this and I'm running the program. So I'm clicking the run and start debugging. So if you see, this is showing the blank screen because we don't add anything in the our body tag. So let's go and write some logic or some words. So here I'm using h1 tag. So h1 tag is one of the heading tag. So there is a six heading tag. We will discuss that in upcoming videos. So for demo purpose, means this structure related purpose, we using this h1. So here I'm writing hello world. So here I'm writing. So I can run this. See the hello world is showing here. So this is the basic template, or you can say this is the structure of the our HTML. We have the doc type HTML, then HTML tag open and close, then head tag, then body tag. If you're using the Visual Studio Code, it giving the one good feature. If you type HTML and you select the HTML5 and click on the enter, it auto generate all the tablet. You see the doc tag, HTML head, then body, and the closing tag. the head section I told you, it show the title and the metadata and the factor. So here I'm changing this document, means the title document as the web program. And here I'm using the that same thing, h1 tag and hello world. So I'm running this. Yeah, I think the browser is in already in running mode, so I cancel this and I'm close that browser, or we can refresh also. But I run this, start debugging. You can see the same output will be given. So this is for this video. Thanks for watching. We will continue learning in the next session.